Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a chart and insert it into your photo or image on Adobe Express Photos. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your photo editing project on Adobe Express, and the charts feature can be found under Add Content here in the top left, and then click into Charts and Grids. Switch to Charts, and you may go with line charts, pie charts, bar charts, donut charts, and so on and so forth. I will go with a pie chart. Click into View All to gain access to more of them, and select the one you'd like to go with, like this one here. Position it on your canvas. And now guys, it's time to customize these items. You will see, for example, these 4 default items. You may add more items here and also set the value. So if I change the value of item 1 from 300 to 150, press enter, the size or percentage here will be changed accordingly. You may also label your items here, assign a color, click into these 3 dots here to, for example, add an item above, below, or to delete the entire row. Then guys, what you want to do is customize the font for these items. As you can see, there's also some text adjacent. The font color, bold letters, italic letters, underline, font size, and the font style itself. Now, you can also change the position. For example, align it to the top of the canvas, to the bottom, to the left, and so on and so forth. Or here at the top, change the chart type and also apply an animation if you like the chart type to, let's say, fade in. And then it will appear like that. So you can do that as well. I will leave it at none. And that's all to it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.